Hello guys, I'm Jatinder Julka and we manufacture printing machines and paper converting machines based in Faridabad. In our business where we have lot many components, lot many technologies we use manufacturing these printing machines and converting machines. So we faced lot of challenges in order tracking, inventory tracking, sometimes team management and the customers' grievances. So it was really hectic to manage such a complicated business. Then I came to know about Cable's MBA program, and I tell you guys, this MBA program has helped me big time, really big time. Now we have gone from, we are rather able to transform our business from manual diary notings to digital. We have started using G Suite. Otherwise, for us, G Suite was just for a mail app. But now I came to know that G Suite can do wonders. And we have started using forms where our team can give us feedback, where our customer can give us feedbacks. We can track our inventories. We can manage our stores. I tell you, I see lot of benefits about this MBA program run by Cable, and the USP of this MBA program is it's the implementation. Suppose we go carry our laptop in the class and we start using these programs, which is really very simple to use. And I tell you how Cable is different. He is a solution provider. You go to him with your requirements, with your pain areas, and he's there to help you and give you very simple, usable softwares which can really help and which can be easy for your team to understand. I highly recommend this program to my fellow industrialist in my printing business or in machine manufacturing business, and I wish you all the good luck to my viewers. Thank you. Bye bye.
Great.